Hi guys, this is my 04 Suzuki SV60. Currently, I'm I was gonna clean up the air filter because sometimes I experience here it's stalling after I started after a cold start. So I thought it could be my air filter. So first of all, first thing you're gonna remove is the seat. Remove the screw here and another screw for the small fairing. It's this one, right? So right now I already removed them. So when you have to remove the air filter to get an access to your air filter, you need to open this gas tank by removing these two screws. But first you have to remove the seat before removing those two screws. One, two, three, four. There's one in there, and the same thing on the side. One, two, three. So I actually unscrewed them already. All I have to do just lift it up, remove it. All right. Oops, what happened? Okay, let's get stuck. And there's your air filter. So if you ever experience it in your SV650, it's very common. So maybe most likely it's just your air filter. Maybe it's needs some cleaning. This one doesn't look like really dirty. I just picked up this bike, by the way, about 2 weeks ago. Look, it's all clean, right? So putting them back is just reverse. So right now I only improvise something. It's my GoPro stick I used to keep it open like this because I don't have that bar, the actual bar that you can buy to leave your tank open like that. This is just my magnetic stick to pick up screws. Okay, after I open it, I checked and inspected my air filter. It seemed to be still, my filter is still very clean, nothing on it, no leaves or whatever. There's nothing. So it seemed to be there is another problem, and I don't know. I'm not sure yet what's causing it. But it only happens to me when during a cold start, when the engine stalls, right? But once my bike started to run steady, it doesn't stall anymore. So ayun ang napansin ko. Mukha namang walang problema. Binalik ko na. I already put them back, right? Remember those screws. And just leave a comment and what you think, what happens, and why it's causing me engine stall on a cold start. Maybe it's normal because I really never experienced that before on my previous bikes. I used to own the 2009 Ninja 250, Kawasaki Ninja 250. I never had that kind of problem. And then I had this 2015 GSXR, and obviously that bike almost still a baby. I never had that kind of problem. This is my oldest bike so far that I ever owned, and it's my third bike I owned, right? This is 2004 Suzuki SV650. See, that's I guess that's the only thing about buying a used bike. Sometimes you will encounter some minor problems. Anyway, I think that's it for today. I hope you learned something at least for this SV650. Thanks for watching.